Come on. Come on. In this ancient volcano crater, heavy rains and hot sun means that tropical fruit grows all year round. In the autumn, the kiwi fruit are abundant. The golden light highlights the guavas, carambola, macadamias, and jackfruit. Winter brings endless avocados, the trees filled with custard apples and citrus. In the springtime, every creek is lined with fresh berries. And now, in the summer, the orchards begin to fill with bright, sweet fruit. We celebrate the flavors of the season, appreciating the beauty of these trees who feed us.
Walks to a park and it's getting dark, still you haven't seen. Dreaming of you, how you talk, how you do, where you haven't.
I brought the goats to this paddock so that they could eat down some of the weeds. They're so good at that, and it helps the orchard trees grow well. And while I'm here, I thought I should check what is in season, because I think the lychees should come on soon if it hasn't been too wet for them. I think maybe a lot of them got knocked off the tree. And there's tiny guavas that should be ready in like March or April. There might be a jackfruit on. I don't know, I haven't checked for a while, so I'm gonna just go around the orchard and look at what's in season. A bunch for Julia. I brought the goats to this paddock, but they're just being so naughty right now, trying to eat the sheep's food. Surely you're not that tall. Mars, you can't reach it. Stop arguing with me, girl. Can everyone stop? Are you trying to eat the feed that I've hidden away for the sheep? She only does it when I'm not looking. That's the sheep! Reach that high! Are you coming with me now? There's no mangoes on this year, it's just been way too wet. It's funny, we got quite a few, we got like 20 whole mangoes last year, even though it was really wet. In the dry seasons we'll have hundreds, we'll have like buckets full of mangoes that we have to get through all summer. We basically just eat mangoes for a full summer, but the wet doesn't bring mangoes, but that's okay because it brings different types of beauty. That is what are left of the jackfruits. There's been too much rain. Oh, there's one! Oh, that one's getting a bit big. And then these are next year's jackfruits. There's one jackfruit up here, and it's pretty small still. I don't know, it's ripening a bit later this year, everything seems to be. From up here, I can see that there's lots of ripe lychees right at the tip of the tree, so we might have to come back to the fruit pickers. They're pretty green, but There's a few pink ones up higher, which I might try to get, but these will be ready soon. There's not that many jambu ready on this tree, which is surprising because it normally fruits first. Everything's a bit off this year, but there is a big storm coming and this is the tallest hill, so I might rush home.
These curry leaves smell so good. The goats keep nibbling the tops off them, and so there's only little new shoots left, but I think they'll work okay. You can see this bite-sized marks out of this turmeric as well. So cheeky. There's a storm coming and you can just feel it so much. Everything is so humid. Cinnamon myrtle, which just grows right outside the door. It's this amazing native bush food. Right there in the gap, which means it's definitely going to hit. It sounds like an intense one, so I'm gonna go inside and cook dinner.
I've been searching for Harmony the sheep all afternoon. She is the youngest of all of them and she never separates from the flock, so we're really worried, and I've searched every single hill of the farm. I've walked up and down so many times, but she's nowhere. Now there's a really big storm, so it's too dangerous to be out there. So I think I just got home in time. I hope she's okay.
We're still searching for Harmonia the sheep, and we hope that we'll find her off doing something naughty, but we're getting more worried. Thank you so much for joining us on this hot, steamy day in the rainforest. We'll see you next week. The song Amsterdam Streets is by Tall and Blue, two Dutch sisters who make such beautiful music together. And a big thank you to our patrons for all of your support.